You downloaded a budgeting app and you're still broke. Why? A new study came out in 2025 and the numbers are worth paying attention to. More than 55% of people said their biggest financial challenge is overspending. Not loans, not low income, overspending. Now here's what's interesting. Only 1 in 5 people actually use a dedicated budgeting app to deal with it. Most people know the problem. Very few are using the right tools. Let me give you a real example of how this plays out. Picture a guy, let's call him Rahul. Rahul downloads a budgeting app on a Monday. He's focused, he sets his monthly limits, links his accounts, organizes every category. He's checking it almost every day, and by the way, that's normal. The study found nearly 80% of app users engage with their app weekly, so Rahul is doing everything right. But then Friday comes. He's out with his friends, he sees something he wants, and in that moment, he's not thinking about the app. He's not thinking about categories. He just buys it. This is the core finding of the study. Budgeting apps are very good at recording what you spend, but they cannot stop you before you spend it. Think about what that means practically. You get a notification. You've gone over your dining budget, but the money is already gone. The app told you the score. It just told you after the game ended. And here's another number worth understanding. Around 45% of people use some kind of digital tool for their finances, but that includes spreadsheets, calculators, and general apps. Only 20.9% are using apps actually built for budgeting. So the majority are either using the wrong tool or no tool at all. So what's the actual takeaway here? A budgeting app is a tracking tool, not a decision-making tool. It shows you where your money went, but it cannot make the decision for you in the moment. The shift that actually works is this. Make your spending decisions before the moment arrives. Decide your weekend limit on a Monday. Assign every dollar a purpose before it gets spent. Because when you're in the moment, emotions are high, willpower is low, and no app notification will stop you. The people who are genuinely good with money don't just track it, they plan it in advance. The app is useful, but it has to come with a decision you already made. Do you use a budgeting app? Does it actually change how you spend, or does it just show you the damage after? Drop your honest answer in the comments. And if this was useful, follow for more. We break down financial habits in a way that actually makes sense. See you in the next one.